हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं व्हाट इज डेमोक्रेसी, वाई डेमोक्रेसी के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। एंड यार, इन एमसीक्यूज के पीडीएफ का लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने लेक्चर अच्छे से कर रखा है तो आप लोग जाकर डायरेक्टली उन्हें भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। द वर्ड डेमोक्रेसी कम्स फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड। ऑप्शन ए डेमोक्रेसिया, ऑप्शन बी डेमोक्रेटिया, ऑप्शन सी डेमोस, option D Cretia, and the correct answer is Democratia. Next question comes here. The head of the government in Nepal is the option A President, option B Prime Minister, option C King, option D Vice President, and the correct answer is President. Next question comes here. In which case was the real power with external powers and not with the locally elected representatives? Option A India in Sri Lanka, option B US in Iran, option C USSR in communist Poland, option D both B and C, and the correct answer is both B and C. Next question comes here. How many members are elected to the National People's Congress from all over China? Option A 3050, option B 3000, option C 4000, option D 2000, and the correct answer is 3000. Next question comes here. Which party always won elections in Mexico since its independence in 1930 until 2000? Option A Revolutionary Party, option B Mexican Revolutionary Party, option C Institutional Revolutionary Party, option D Institutional Party, and the correct answer is Institutional Revolutionary Party. Next question comes here. When did Zimbabwe attain independence and from whom? Option A 1970 from black minority rule, option B 1880 from white minority rule, option C 1980 from Americans, option D 1980 from white minority rule, and the correct answer is 1980 from white minority rule. Next question comes here. Which of these features is or are necessary to provide the basic right to the citizens? Option A citizens should be free to think, option B should be free to form associations, option C should be free to raise protest, option D all of above, and the correct answer is all of above. Next question comes here. What is constitutional law? Option A provision given in the constitution, option B law to make constitution, option C law to set up constituent assembly, option D none of above, and the correct answer is provisions given in the constitution. Next question comes here. Some of the drawbacks of democracy is option A instability and delays, option B corruption and hypocrisy, option C politicians fighting among themselves, option D all the above, and the correct answer is all of the above. Next question comes here. In which period did China face one of the worst famines that have occurred in the world? Option A 1932-36, option B 1958-61, option C 2001 to 2002, option D 2004 to 2007, and the correct answer is 1958 to 61. Next question comes here. Democracy improves the quality of decision making because option A decisions are taken by educated people, option B decisions are taken by consultation and discussion, option C decisions are taken over a long period of time, option D all decisions are approved by judiciary, and the correct answer is decisions are taken by consultation and discussion. Next question comes here. The most common form that democracy takes in our time is that of option A limited democracy, option B representative democracy, option C maximum democracy, option D none of above, and the correct answer is representative democracy. Next question comes here. Which of this is an example of perfect democracy? Option A USA, option B UK, option C India, option D none of above, and the correct answer is none of above. Next question comes here. Which body in Indian political system is an example of direct democracy? Option A Jila Parishad, option B Panchayat Samiti, option C Gram Sabha, option D Vidhan Sabha, and the correct answer is Gram Sabha. Next question comes here. In any society, people are bound to have difference of opinions and interest. Which is a better way of dealing with these conflicts? Option A by brutal power exercised by government, option C by allowing one group to dictate terms to others, option C by providing equal opportunities to all, Option D, by opting for a strong leader who should all have the powers. And the correct answer is by providing equal opportunities to all. Next question comes here. In which of these cases can democracy not provide a complete solution? Option A, removing poverty completely. Option B, providing education to all. Option C, giving jobs to all. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Next question comes here. Which of these is permitted under the rule of law? Option A, Prime Minister can be punished for violating the constitution. Option B, police has a right to kill anybody. Option C, women can be paid lesser salaries. Option D, president can rule for as long as he wants. And the correct answer is Prime Minister can be punished for violating the constitution. Next question comes here. Which of these statements is or are correct in the case of Zimbabwe? Option A, popular governments are always democratic. Option B, popular government can be undemocratic. Option C, popular leaders can be autocratic. Option D, both B and C. And the correct answer is both B and C. Next question comes here. Which party has ruled Zimbabwe since its independence and who is its ruler? Option A, ZANU-PF Robert Mugabe. Option C, ZANU-PF Kenneth Kaunda. Option C, Zimbabwe Freedom Party Nelson Mandela. Option D, Zimbabwe Party P. Johnson. And the correct answer is ZANU-PF Robert Mugabe. Next question comes here. Why can the Chinese government not be called a democratic government even though elections are held there? Option A, army participates in election. Option B, government is not accountable to the people. Option C, some parts of China are not represented at all. Option D, government is always formed by the Communist Party. And the correct answer is government was always formed by Communist Party. Next question comes here. Who led a military coup in Pakistan in 1999? Option A, Benazir Bhutto. Option B, Nawaz Sharif. Option C, Parvez Musharraf. Option D, none of above. And the correct answer is Parvez Musharraf. Next question comes here. Which of these is not an instance of broadened meaning of democracy? Option A, taking opinion of all the family members before taking a decision. Option B, being allowed to ask questions in the class. Option C, having no say in one's marriage plan. Option D, none of above. And the correct answer is having no say in one's marriage plan. Next question comes here. How does democracy allows us to correct its own mistake? Option A, mistakes are hidden and cannot be corrected. Option B, re-electing the same government to enable if to correct its mistake. Option C, the rulers can be changed. Option D, none of above. And the correct answer is the rulers can be changed. Next question comes here. Which organ of the government is required to protect the rights of the citizens? Option A, executive. Option B, legislature. Option C, independent judiciary. Option D, police. And the correct answer is independent judiciary. Next question comes here. A democratic government has to respect some rules after winning the elections. Which of these points is not a part of those rules? Option A, respecting guarantees given to minorities. Option B, every major decision has to go through a series of consultation. Option C, office bearers are not accountable. Option D, office bearers have some responsibilities. And the correct answer is office bearer are not accountable. Next question comes here. Which of these features is or are necessary to provide the basic right to the citizens? Option A, citizens should be free to think. Option B, should be free to form associations. Option C, should be free to raise protest. Option D, all of above. And the correct answer is all of above. Next question comes here. One person, one vote means. Option A, one person is to be voted by all. Option B, one person has one vote and each vote has one value. Option C, a person can vote only once in his life. Option D, both A and C. And the correct answer is one person has one vote and each vote has one value. Next question comes here. What kind of government is there in Myanmar? Option A, government elected by people. Option B, communist government. Option C, army rule. Option D, monarchy. And the correct answer is army rule. Next question comes here. Dash is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by people. Option A, dictatorship. ऑप्शन बी नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट, ऑप्शन सी monarchy, option D democracy, and the correct answer is democracy. Next question comes here. How does the definition of democracy help us? Option A, to separate democracy from forms of government that are clearly not democratic. Option B, so that we can get voting rights. Option C, to figure out what lies in a democracy. Option D, none of above. And the correct answer is to separate democracy from forms of government that are clearly not democratic. Next question comes here. How are the rulers of Myanmar elected? Option A, dictatorship. Option B, elected by people. Option C, those who happen to be in control of army became the rulers. Option D, monarch. And the correct answer is those who happen to be in control of army became the rulers. Next question comes here. How are the rulers of Saudi Arabia elected? Option A, by the people. Option B, rule of army. Option C, because they happened to born into the royal family. Option D, none. And the correct answer is because they happened to be born in royal family. Next question comes here. Which officials must be elected for any government to be called a democracy? Option A, certain people from different constituencies passing the criteria to be elected. Option B, any adult for the country. Option C, only bureaucratic. Option D, heads of different organizations. And the correct answer is certain people from different constituencies passing the criteria to be elected. Next question comes here. In Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup in Option A 1999, Option B 1998, Option C 1997, Option D 1996, and the correct answer is 1999. Next question comes here. In a democracy, the final decision making power must rest with Option A official head, Option B monarch, Option C those elected by people, Option D none, and the correct answer is none. Next question comes here. What is the Chinese parliament called? Option A National People Congress, Option B Chinese Communist Party, Option C Communist Party of China, Option D People's Congress, and the correct answer is Chinese Communist Party. Next question comes here. It has nearly dash members elected from all over China. Option A 2000, Option B 3000, Option C 2500, Option D 3500, and the correct answer is 3000. Next question comes here. When did Mexico become independent? Option A 1979, Option B 1981, Option C 1980, Option D 1982, and the correct answer is 1980. Next question comes here. Estonia has made its citizenship rules in such a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get. Option A economic right, Option B right to vote, Option C right to women's vote, Option D all of above, and the correct answer is the right to vote. Next question comes here. Zimbabwe attained independence from white minority rule in Option A 1980, Option B 1975, Option C 1981, Option D 1977, and the correct answer is 1980. Next question comes here. What kind of operation did Mugabe give his people? Option A opposition party workers were harassed and their meeting disrupted. Option B public protest and demonstrations against the government were declared illegal. Option C there was a law that limited the right to criticize the president. Option D all of above, and the correct answer is all of above. Next question comes here. What requirements do the people of the state need after election? Option A every office bearer has certain rights and responsibilities assigned by constitution and law. Option B to respect some guarantees to minorities. Option C each of these is accountable not only to those people but also to other independent officials. Option D all of above, and the correct answer is all of above. Next question comes here. Democracy is based on Option A discussions and meetings are amongst few. Option B discussions and meetings occur when a number of people put their heads together. Option C no discussion. Option D unruly crowded meetings with no formal decision. Correct answer is discussions and meetings occur when a number of people put their heads together. Next question comes here. Democracy is better than any form of government because option A, it allows change, option B, allows voting, option C, allows right to option, option D, allows us to correct its own mistake. And the correct answer is allows us to correct our own mistakes. Next question comes here. Which is true of democracy? Option A, by the people and for the people. Option B, leaders keep changing in a democracy that leads to instability. Option C, democracy is all about political competition and power play. Option C, elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people. And the correct answer is by the people for the people. सो गाइस, यही थे हमारे टॉप एमसीक्यूज जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है। नीचे जो पीडीएफ के लिंक्स है उनसे तुम और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग द चैनल बिकॉज जितने भी चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके एमसीक्यूज कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे। ठीक, सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड बाय।